How would you describe today?
A dream come true.
To meet deserving families and to be able to do this from the Houk family to yours, thank you. Normally we just do the system itself, but when we went up and looked at your ductwork, we said, you know, we've got to just take care of all of it at once. I think this change is going to make a big difference in your ability to breathe.
We're so excited for when the unit turns on and we get to breathe in clean air.
Can I get a hug?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.